She walked alone in the daylight. People looked away. They knew her story, didn't hear a word she'd say. She wasn't hiding, they pushed her aside, carrying the weight of the names in her life. But you came to her, didn't turn away. You spoke to the one everyone refused. You chose the rejected. You called her by name, the one they gave up on. You said you can change if you showed her your love. Then I know it's true, nobody is too far. That includes me too. Looking for love she couldn't feel, but you didn't judge her, you didn't condemn. You saw her heart and you spoke to her again. You didn't wait for perfect, no. You met her right there, and the first time you said who you are was to someone in despair. You chose the rejected. Yeah. You called her by
you look so happy.
Thank you. If you saved her, you can save me. No one is too broken. No one is too far. The same God at the well knows exactly who we are.
Happy birthday, Rachel!
Thank you all so much. Here, let me share the first one.
Thank you so much.
You're very welcome. Enjoy it.
I will. God bless you.
We are not forgotten. We are not the same. If you showed her your love, then I know it's true. Nobody is too far. That includes me too. If Jesus chose the rejected, then no one is
Hey everyone, check this out. It's John chapter 4 verses 1 to 42. Go read it.